friends, welcome to Motivational and Educational channel. Today we are learning next topic. Carbon compounds, chapter 9, class 10, Science and Technology part 1. Surely asked question in board exams. Important and hot questions are given with weightage of marks. Exercise. Question 1. Match the pairs. Group A, Group B. Answer. Group A C2H6. Group B 3 saturated hydrocarbon. B C2H2 4 triple bond. C CH4O 2 molecular formula of an alcohol. D C3H6 1 unsaturated hydrocarbon. Question 2. Draw an electron dot structure of the following molecules without showing the circles. A. Methane. Molecular formula CH4. B. Ethene. Molecular formula CH2 double bond CH2. C. Methanol. Molecular formula CH3OH. D. Water. Molecular formula H2O. Question 3. Draw all possible structural formulae of compounds from their molecular formula given below. A. C3H8. Answer. Structural formula propane C3H8. B. C4H10. Answer. Structural formula butane C4H10. C. C3H4. Answer. Structural formula propyne C3H4. Question 4. Explain the following terms with example. A. Structural isomerism. Answer. Compounds having different structural formulae but have the same molecular formula is called structural isomerism. Example, butane. It has different structural formula but have the same molecular formula, that is C4H10. B. Covalent bond. Answer. The chemical bond formed by sharing of two valency electrons between the two atoms is called covalent bond. Example, hydrogen molecule H2. C. Heteroatom in a carbon. Answer. Carbon compounds are formed by formation of bonds of carbon with other elements such as halogens, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur. The atom of the element which is substitute for hydrogen in hydrocarbon is referred to as a heteroatom, and so the tetravalency of carbon is satisfied. Structural formula: heteroatom X Cl Bri halogen, O oxygen, NH2 nitrogen. D. Functional group. Answer: the compound acquires specific chemical properties due to the heteroatoms or the groups of atoms that contain heteroatoms. Therefore, the groups of atoms containing the heteroatoms are called functional groups. Example: methyl alcohol. In methane CH4, one hydrogen atom is replaced by an OH group and methyl alcohol is formed. The OH is known as the alcoholic functional group. E. Alkane. Answer: in hydrocarbons, the four valencies of carbon atom are satisfied only by the single bonds. Such compounds are called alkane. Example: in methane, four hydrogen atoms are bonded to carbon atom by four single covalent bonds. F. Unsaturated hydrocarbon. Answer: the carbon compounds having a double bond or triple bond between two carbon atoms are called unsaturated hydrocarbons. The unsaturated hydrocarbons containing carbon-carbon double bond are called alkenes. Example: ethene, CH2 double bond CH2. The unsaturated hydrocarbons containing carbon-carbon triple bond are called alkynes. Example: ethine. Structural formula: CH triple bond CH. G. Homopolymer. Answer: the polymers formed by repetition of single monomer are called homopolymer. Example: polyethylene. In bracket CH2 CH2 bracket complete N. H. Monomer. Answer: the small unit that repeats regularly to form a polymer is called monomer. Example: ethylene. I. Reduction. Answer: in a chemical reaction, removal of oxygen from a compound or addition of hydrogen to a compound is called a reduction. J. Oxidant. Answer: substances that can use oxygen to other substances are called oxidants. Example: potassium permanganate or potassium dichromate. Question 5. Write the IUPAC names of the following structural formulae. A. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Answer: the number of carbon atoms in the longest chain is 4. Parent alkane, butane. IUPAC name N-butane. B. CH3, CHOH, CH3. Answer: the number of carbon atoms in the longest chain is 3. Parent alkane, propane. Functional group OH, alcohol. The carbon atom to which the OH group is attached is numbered as C2. In parent name propane, E of propane is replaced by OL. OL stands for alcohol. Parent suffix propane to all. Therefore, IUPAC name propane to all. C. CH3 CH2 COOH. Answer. The number of carbon atoms in the longest chain is 3. Parent alkane propane. Functional group COOH. Carboxylic acid. In parent name propane, E of propane is replaced by oic acid. Parent suffix propanoic acid. Therefore, IUPAC name propanoic acid. D. CH3 CH2 NH2. Answer. The number of carbon atoms is 2. Parent alkane ethane. Functional group NH2 amine. In parent name ethane, E of ethane is replaced by amine. Parent suffix ethanamine. Therefore, IUPAC name ethanamine. E. CH3 CHO. Answer. The number of carbon atoms is 2. Parent alkane ethane. Functional group CHO aldehyde. In parent name ethane, E of ethane is replaced by Al. Parent suffix ethanol. Therefore, IUPAC name ethanol. F. CH3 CO CH2 CH3. Answer. The number of carbon atoms in the longest chain is 4. Parent alkane butane. Functional group CO ketone. Numbering of carbon atoms is 1 CH3, 2 CO, 3 CH2, 4 CH3. In parent name butane, E of butane is replaced by 1. Parent suffix butane 2, 1. Therefore, IUPAC name butane 2, 1.